In this video, I will show you how to use Kalodata. So Kalodata is a tool for TikTok Shop analytics and insights. So basically you can check out how much a person is making from TikTok Shop. And I'll show you exactly how you can do this for product research and competitor research. So what you want to go ahead and do first is go to kalodata.com. Now from here you will see that they have a product data of 100 million plus, 200 million plus creator data, 300 million plus video and live stream data, and 500 days of historical data. Now what I'm going to do first is to go and click on Explore right here. And once you click on Explore, you will be prompted to sign in. Now if you don't have an account yet, just go and click on Sign Up in the bottom here and sign up through email and send a verification code to your email. So then after you create your account, you will see this right here. So you've got to answer a couple of questions. So first, are you running a business on TikTok? Then what is your business type? So brand seller, reseller, creator, agency, or none of the above. Now for example, I will select reseller. Then what is the size of your team? And what do we call you? So just enter your first name. Then click on next. And now here, how did you learn about Kalodata? And now you have submitted this successfully. Now you can join their Discord where you can contact customer service if you want, but I'll just skip this. And now here you will get to the Explore page. Now you will see that in the top right you can select a country. So right now it's set to the United States. So then for the United States you will then see this. So you see competitors list, affiliate creators, trending products, hot lives, hot videos, and brand strategy. Then we'll scroll down a bit, you will see the top products. So you can see this product right here, a 15-day cleanse. So this is some kind of a supplement. You can see this has been sold 84,480 times with a revenue of nearly $1.5 million. So if you click on that product, you will then see this right here. So you can see the selling price, and then here you will see the core metrics. Now this is what I think is really cool. So you can see the revenue and how much it is doing per day. You can see the amount of items that have been sold, the live revenue, video revenue. So this is the revenue from one video. So one video has done 639k in revenue. And now what's really cool as well is that you can see the top creators right here. So if you filter by live revenue right here, you will see that this person is at the top. So then if you click on them, it will take you to their page here. You can see how much they have sold. You can see this person only has 15k followers and they have done nearly 300k in revenue, which is pretty insane. And on this specific day, they did 150k. Now what you can do is right here, instead of clicking on shop, click on video. Now here you will actually see the videos that they are generating the revenue with. So you can see if we filter by revenue, these videos are in the last 7 days, but if you click last 30 days right here, for this person it does not show up right now, but what you can simply do is head over to their TikTok page, because you can see this is their name, and you can simply go to their TikTok page. So you also see their link right here. So if we click on this, you can then here see their profile. So you can see the videos that they have created, and you can just find their top videos, and then you know what video is making them that much money. So if you just head over to the creator section at the top here, you will find the top creators overall. So if you filter by revenue right here, you can see this person has done over 500k in revenue. Then here you will see the products that they are selling. So some kind of a scrubber, some clothing, and a mop. Now if you click on their name right here, it will then take you to their page, and you can also see their core metrics. So you can see their revenue, live views, etc. Now you can see right here how much they do every day. So 23, 43, 67, 106k, and here 142k, and you can basically see how much they are making per day, and you can see exactly what they are selling. Now you can see right here, you need to upgrade to view more data. So then you can see all of their items here and how much they have made from each specific item. Now what is pretty cool is that you can already see what their top products are, but if you want to upgrade, then you can click upgrade here, and then the plans range from $38 all the way up to $280 per month. So now let's head over to shop right here, and here you will find the top shops. So this shop right here has done $2.6 million in revenue, and it's called Micro Ingredients. So you can see they are selling supplements. So here you can just find some kind of products that are all doing well, and you can see a bunch of them are actually supplements. So then you know that you can, for example, go and sell this product. You can see we have now opened up this product. Now if you click TikTok product link here, it will actually take you to the product. Now this product is not available in my region, so therefore I cannot see it, but if it is available for you, then you will see it. Now in the category section here, you can filter by a category, for example beauty and personal care, and then you have a bunch more, but you need to upgrade to see those. But you can see the revenue per shop in beauty and personal care is on average 6.6k, so that's pretty good. And the top 3 shops do about 10.56% of all the revenue, and you can also filter by any of these right here. Now if you head over to video and live stream, you will see some top videos that are making a lot of money, but you can see, for example, this one right here is an ad, so that one is being promoted. But this one, for example, if you open it up, you can see they are selling this book right here, and then you can see the exact video that they are using to promote that product, and this video has made them 138k in revenue. So that's a lot of money, of course. So it's a really useful tool, but you can see trial accounts get 10 searches per day, and I now have 7 remaining. So again, if if you want more, then you need to upgrade. Then in live stream, you will see the top live streams and how much revenue they have done. So that's also a cool feature. So basically you can just explore each of these pages right here, and for example, if you head over into Explore, you can then go to affiliate creators, and then you can search a category, for example sports and outdoors, and then click get the answer, and then it will show a list of these affiliate creators, and you can filter by revenue, you can filter by views trend, you can filter by views, debut time, etc. So it's a really good tool if you want to sell on TikTok Shop, because you can find your top competitors, you can see exactly which videos are making the most money, and you can simply recreate those videos with the same products in your TikTok Shop, and then you can make just as much money as they are. So now you know how to use Kalodata. If this Kalodata tutorial was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.